Hello guys, Section from City Roast here. Are you struggling with creating the perfect milk for latte art? Then try this simple method. Fill up the jug halfway. The jug and the milk should be very cold. Now purge the steam one until only the steam is coming out. Now place the tip of the steam one just on the surface of the milk. Place the tip of the steam one in either the left or the right side. Just don't place it in the middle. Now turn on the steamer on full power. If your steamer is very powerful, you should then place the steam one deeper into the milk. If you have a less powerful steamer, then place the steam one a bit further from the surface of the milk. Control the temperature with your hand. When the jug gets too hot to touch, then turn off the steamer. The perfect temperature is between 55 and 65 degrees Celsius. If you prefer thicker milk foam, then place the tip of the steam one further away from the milk surface of the milk. In this way you will introduce more air into the milk and your foam will therefore be thicker. This was the consistency I was looking for. Nice and shiny. Just perfect for latte art. Please let me know if this tutorial